Okay class, we are going to do a pop quiz.
Miss Potter.
Yes, Princess Pissy Pants.
Can I use the bathroom please? Like I have to take the biggest shit in the world. See?
Oh no. Poop. Oh, god damn it. Oh my god. It smells like poopy in here. Oh good grief. It smells horrible in here.
Yes, but please hurry back.
Sure thing.
Meanwhile,
Wow. I cannot believe how stupid and ignorant my teacher is. I can't believe she fell for that. Oh boy. There's the fire alarm. Let's pull it and see what happens. Ha 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 ha. Let's watch these pussies run and panic. Like little chickens. Let's get out of here before I get caught red-handed.
several bad puns later.
Oh my god. Look at all of those little chicken shits running like little sissies. 1 pussy, 2 pussy, 3 pussy, 4 pussy and a whole lot more pussies running like if the apocalypse is coming. Oh my god, look at all the special kids. They're running like retards too. Oh my god. This is the best day ever. I'll never forget this day.
Princess Pissy Pants. Come over here right now, you're in some serious shit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Uh-oh, I'm in some serious shit.
A few moments later.
Princess Pissy Pants, do you have any idea why I called you here?
No. Why?
Don't act like you didn't do nothing. You know why I called you to my office.
Was it because I pulled the fire alarm?
Yes, that's right. How dare you pull the fire alarm, that is it. You are suspended for a week. And when your suspension is up, you will have his act for a week. Now go home now.
Fine. You may have won, but this ain't over yet.
Princess Pissy Pants, we do not slam doors.
3 hours later.
Princess Pissy Pants, 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 Princess Pissy Pants. Get your ass over here right now.
Is something the matter, Mum? Did I do something wrong?
You damn right you did. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school and get suspended? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded forever and ever. You thought it was a bright idea to pull the fire alarm, huh? For your punishment, you will get a brutal belt beating for what you did.
No. Not the belt, anything but the belt. Please Mum, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to pull the fire alarm. It was just a harmless prank.
A harmless prank? No. You had everybody in the school panicking thinking there was a real fire. How hard did you to do the shit?
I thought it was a funny prank. I didn't know the whole school was gonna panic like pussies. I didn't know it was gonna get this far. Please cancel the belt beating, Mum. Have mercy.
Well, too bad. You will get this belt beating and take it like a man.
Ow 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 ow. It hurts. It hurts so fucking bad.
Good. I don't care. Now go take your ass to your room, now.
Well, Rio knows I himself gravity and umbriats and barely fit visitors.
Princess Pissy Pants. Stop breaking the laws of gravity and stop crying like a baby. It's giving me a headache.
It's not fair. It's so not fair. I got grounded for pulling the fire alarm at school.